We've all been there. The lights flicker and suddenly your home is plunged into darkness. It's a moment that always seems to catch us off guard, no matter how many times it happens. 1 minute, you're watching TV, maybe relaxing after a long day, and the next, everything goes dark. The familiar hum of appliances stops, and you're left in silence. Silence. The power is out. Outside, the whole neighborhood might be dark too, and you realize you're not alone in this. Your first thought, find a flashlight. You fumble through drawers, hoping the batteries aren't dead, trying to bring a little light back into your world. Your second, what about all that food in the fridge and freezer? You know the clock is ticking, and every minute without power puts your groceries at risk. Every steak, every carton of milk, every bag of frozen veggies is now on a ticking clock. The cold air is slowly escaping, and you wonder how long you have before things start to spoil. Watching your groceries spoil is a special kind of frustration, a quiet disaster that hits every time the grid goes down. It's not just about the food, it's about the waste and the helplessness. You're told to keep the doors closed, but after a day or two, you're faced with a choice: risk eating something questionable or throw it all out. The uncertainty is stressful, and you're left guessing what's still safe. It's a smelly, expensive, and avoidable problem. The cost isn't just in dollars, but in time and effort spent shopping and preparing meals that now go to waste. Most people panic, rushing for ice, filling leaky coolers, or just hoping the power comes back before everything melts. Stores run out of supplies fast, and you're left scrambling. But what if there was a better way? What if you could be ready instead of reactive, and protect your food and your peace of mind? Something simple, affordable, and quiet that could keep your food cold for weeks, not just hours. Imagine not having to worry every time the weather turns bad or the grid fails. The real issue isn't just lost food, it's the helplessness. It's the feeling that you're at the mercy of forces you can't control, and that your careful planning can vanish overnight. That freezer full of food is security, planning, and meals for your family. It represents your effort to provide and prepare, and losing it is more than just an inconvenience. Losing it all in days feels like a punch to the gut. It's discouraging, and it can make you feel powerless in your own home. Replacing it is expensive, and nobody wants to watch their hard-earned money rot. The cost adds up quickly, and it's money that could be spent elsewhere. So, what do most people do? They react, not prepare. They scramble for last-minute solutions, often too late to save what matters most. But there's a smarter way, a setup that doesn't require a noisy generator or a mountain of ice. It's a solution that fits right into your life, quietly working in the background. Imagine a solution that's easy, affordable, and doesn't need an engineering degree. Anyone can set it up, and it gives you peace of mind every day. It's a job anyone can do, and it puts you back in control. You don't have to rely on luck or hope, just a little preparation. No more panic runs to the store, no more wasted food. You can shop with confidence, knowing your food is safe no matter what. Just a simple system that keeps your food safe no matter what happens outside. Whether it's a storm, a blackout, or a grid failure, you're ready. Let's talk about how to make that happen. Because with the right plan, you can turn a blackout into just another night at home. Because losing your groceries shouldn't be part of losing power. With a little preparation, you can keep your food, your money, and your peace of mind, no matter when the lights go out. Let's get practical. When it comes to preparing for emergencies, most people imagine complicated setups or expensive gear. But the truth is, you can make a huge difference with just a little planning and the right tools. You don't need a $1,000 generator or a fancy backup system that takes up half your garage. I'm talking about a setup you can build for under $300. Here's the shopping list. Simple, affordable, and effective. First, you'll need a small chest freezer, about 5 cubic feet in size. It's compact enough for most homes, but big enough to store plenty of food. Next, a portable power station. Aim for one with around 300 watt-hours. This will keep your freezer running when the power goes out. And don't forget an external temperature controller. This little device lets you fine-tune the freezer's temperature for maximum efficiency. Chest freezers often go on sale for $150 or less, especially if you keep an eye out for deals at local stores or online. A compact power station typically runs about $120, and you can sometimes find them for even less during seasonal sales. The temperature controller? Just $29. Add it all up and your total is $299, right on budget. Maybe you already have a freezer in the garage. If so, you're halfway there and can save even more. This isn't about breaking the bank. It's about being resourceful and making smart choices for your family's safety. No complex wiring, no gasoline, no maintenance headaches. It's truly plug and play, so anyone can set it up in minutes. You're creating a miniature, hyper-efficient cold storage unit that can run off-grid, even with a small solar panel if you want to go greener. With a few tweaks, your chest freezer becomes a food security powerhouse, keeping essentials safe and fresh for days. This is a job anyone can do. No special skills or technical know-how required. It's about taking control, not letting the situation control you. You'll feel more confident and prepared no matter what comes your way. Simple, effective, and ready when you need it. Peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Let's see why the chest freezer is the hero of this story, and how it can make all the difference in an emergency. Why a chest freezer? Simple. Design and efficiency. When you open an upright fridge, cold air spills out. With a chest freezer, the cold stays put. That means less energy wasted and more consistent temperatures. Chest freezers are insulated boxes built for endurance. They use a fraction of the power of upright models, perfect for emergencies. Fewer moving parts means fewer things to break. No fancy extras, just reliable cold storage. Think of it as a treasure chest, only it's filled with food security. It's rugged, efficient, and does its job without fuss. That's exactly what you want when the power goes out. The chest freezer is the unsung hero of food preservation. Here's the genius move. Use frozen water as a thermal battery. It's a simple trick that turns your freezer into a powerful backup system, ready for any emergency. Fill empty water jugs or soda bottles about 90% full, leaving space for expansion, then freeze them and pack your chest freezer as tightly as possible. These homemade ice blocks store cold energy, keeping everything frozen much longer, even if the power goes out unexpectedly. A full freezer is more efficient, and the ice buys you days, not just hours, of safe food storage. The more ice you have, the longer your food stays safe. When the power's out, the ice absorbs heat, keeping food cold and preventing spoilage. It acts as a buffer, protecting your supplies. You've created a passive cooling engine, a glacier in your freezer that works silently, even when everything else stops. If your power station runs out, the ice takes over, buying you precious time until power returns or you find another solution. The freezer only needs a little power now and then to keep those jugs frozen, especially if you have solar or backup power. You're not just running a freezer. You're maintaining a glacier, a fortress of cold that protects your food and your peace of mind. This simple trick dramatically extends your food's life, slashes energy use, and helps you stay prepared for anything. It's your first and best line of defense against spoilage, especially during storms or unexpected outages. Cheap, easy, and incredibly effective. That's smart prepping, turning everyday items into powerful survival tools. Now let's power your freezer with a portable power station. Forget noisy gas generators. This is a quiet, clean battery you can use indoors. A 300 watt-hour station is enough, since the chest freezer only runs a few minutes per hour. One charge can last a day or more. To recharge, use a portable solar panel. 100 watts is plenty and affordable. Set it outside, plug it in, and you're harvesting sunlight to keep your food cold. Setup takes minutes. Freezer to power station to solar panel. No noise, no fumes, no hassle. This isn't just for preppers, it's for anyone who wants peace of mind. Hurricanes, blizzards, grid failures, this system keeps you ready. Modern, smart, and practical. You're now off-grid and in control. That's real security. Here's the clever part. Turn your chest freezer into a super efficient fridge. Use the external temperature controller. Plug it into your power station, then plug in the freezer. Drop the probe inside, set your target temp, 34-38 degrees, and close the lid. The controller keeps the freezer at fridge temps, only running the compressor for a few minutes every few hours. This setup sips electricity, making it the most efficient fridge you'll ever own. Now you can keep milk, cheese, eggs, and leftovers cold for weeks, not days. One appliance, two jobs, freezer or fridge, whenever you need it. Ultimate flexibility, ultimate efficiency. No more spoiled groceries, just reliable, long-term cold storage. That's a game changer in any outage. You've built your food fortress. Now stock it smart. Focus on nutrient-dense, easy-to-prepare foods. Meats, frozen fruits and veggies, butter, cheese, freeze bread, tortillas, even milk for cooking. When using fridge mode, store eggs, yogurt, leftovers, and fresh produce. Plan meals, not just ingredients. Think breakfast, lunch, and dinner combos. Don't forget comfort foods, juice, frozen pizza, even ice cream. Emergencies don't have to mean misery. Stock up for nutrition and morale. Be prepared to live well, not just survive. Don't wait for disaster. Test your setup now. Do a cold run on a weekend. Set up the freezer, power station, solar panel, and controller. Run it for 24 hours, monitor how often the compressor kicks on, and check battery levels. Recharge with solar and see how long it takes. Learn how your system works before you need it. This builds confidence and ensures you're ready. You'll know exactly what to do when the lights go out. No panic, just action. Preparation turns chaos into calm. That's the difference between scrambling and succeeding. This isn't about paranoia. It's about common sense. Life throws curveballs, storms, outages, unexpected messes. Being prepared means peace of mind, not fear. With this setup, you don't worry about spoiled groceries or last-minute scrambles. It works in any home, apartment or house, city or country. Small, portable, and quiet. No special space needed. For less than the cost of one ruined freezer's worth of food, you get years of security. It's a practical investment in comfort and independence. You're not just surviving, you're thriving, no matter what. There's real satisfaction in being ready. Not scared, just prepared.